In this video, I want to show you how to reset this Brinks door lock. Okay, so a reset is going to remove all the existing codes and return the lock to factory defaults. Okay, so you can reprogram it and set new codes. Okay, this should help if you've lost your master code or the lock is not working properly. Okay, so to reset this lock, we need to go to the interior assembly. Okay, next we need to remove the battery cover. Here's the battery cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, the next step is to take one battery out. All right. Okay, now you want to get a pin. Okay, you want to get a pin like this. So there's a pin hole right here, and that's the reset hole. Okay, so we need to insert this pin inside and press and hold it. Okay, so let's get it in. Okay, press and hold it. Keep holding. Now get the battery back in. Keep holding. Okay, so once the bolt extends, okay, and you hear a long beep, it means the reset is complete. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the lock is back to factory defaults and all codes are removed and the default codes are now active. So let's go back to the exterior assembly and reprogram it. Okay, next you want to change the default master code. The default master code here is 1234567 This code can be used to program your lock, and you can also use it to unlock your door from the outside. So you want to change it. To change it, the first step is to hit this button twice. Now enter the code. Hit this button. Okay, and now you want to press 1. Okay, now enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 553322. Hit this button. Okay, enter the code again. Hit this button. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been changed. Okay, so let's test it. Press and hold any key to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the new master code. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see the new master code is now active. Okay, so you can use this master code to program your lock, and you can also use it to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, so you can now set user codes. A user code for this lock is a 4 to 10 digit code that you can also use to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to set up to 20 user codes, and you can share them with anyone you want to give access to your home. Okay, so let me show you how to set a user code. The first step is to hit this button twice. Okay, now enter your master code, your new master code. Hit this button. Now you want to press 2. Okay, enter your new user code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 1166. Hit this. Enter the code again and hit this button. Okay, the code has been added. Let's test it. Press and hold any button to lock. Okay, and now to unlock, let's try the new user code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's how it works. You can repeat the steps to add more user codes, up to 20 user codes. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching again. See you in the next one.